Okay, for pretty much every non-resident Indian out there, the NRE account is your financial lifeline to India, right? But what if the one thing you're absolutely sure you know about it is actually a massive, costly mistake?
And that right there, that's what this whole explainer is about. See, everyone knows the big selling point. The NRE account is tax-free. But what most people don't realize is that this benefit comes with a critical rule, one that's so often overlooked. And trust me, that little oversight could be costing you a ton of money.
So let's just cut right to the chase. The NRE account is tax-free. That part's true. The myth, the part where everyone gets it wrong, is thinking you can just deposit any kind of money into it. And that, my friends, is where the trouble begins.
So what's an NRE account really for? Think of it as a special one-way street just for your foreign earnings. We're talking salary, business income, basically anything you earn outside of India. It's designed so you can hold that money in India and let it grow, completely tax-free. The keywords to burn into your brain are foreign earnings.
And here it is, the critical rule. Under FEMA, that's India's foreign exchange law, you absolutely cannot deposit your Indian income into an NRE account. That means the rent you're collecting from your property in India, dividends from Indian stocks, or a pension you earned in India, none of that belongs in this account. And this isn't just a suggestion. Doing it is a compliance error, and it can have some pretty serious consequences.
Now, this isn't just about dotting your I's and crossing your T's to follow the rules. This simple mistake creates what I like to call a silent tax leak. It's this steady drain on your wealth that just happens in the background, and honestly, it often goes completely unnoticed for years. So, how bad is it? What's the actual real-world cost of this silent leak? Well, let's take a look at what happens when your tax-free foreign money accidentally ends up in the wrong account.
Okay, here's the bottom line. In hard numbers, if you take 1 crore of your foreign earnings and mistakenly park it in a taxable NRO account instead of your tax-free NRE, you are looking at a loss of over 2 lakh rupees every single year, just gone in taxes you never even have to pay. Why? Because the interest gets hit with a tax of over 30% automatically. It is a completely avoidable financial drain. So, yeah, that's the problem. It's a big one. But the good news? The solution is incredibly simple. You don't need complex loopholes or fancy accounting tricks. All you need is a straightforward and really powerful 2-account strategy. This chart right here lays it all out perfectly. You've got to think of these accounts as 2 different tools for 2 very different jobs. Your NRE account, that's your champion for foreign income. It's tax-free, and you can send money back abroad whenever you want. Your NRO account is for managing your Indian income. It's taxable, and there are some limits on sending money out. Simple as that. And here's how you put it into practice. It's just 3 easy steps. Step 1, all your foreign income, your salary from abroad, goes directly into your NRE account. Step 2, all your Indian income, rent, dividends, goes straight into your NRO account. And step 3, you just use each account for what it's made for. That's it. By just separating your funds right at the source, you've completely solved the problem. Okay, so you might be thinking, I'll get to it later, but why is it so important to get this right, like right now? Well, a recent update from the government is about to make managing your money in India way easier, but only if your accounts are set up correctly.
You see, the RBI's 2026 FEMA update is a total game changer. That $1 million annual limit for sending money back from an NRO account is still there, but the process is getting so much simpler. The RBI basically just cut through a whole bunch of red tape so banks can now process these transfers way faster and with a lot less hassle for you.
And this is exactly why you need to act now. By getting your Indian income sorted into your NRO account today, you'll be perfectly positioned to take full advantage of this new, streamlined process. Seriously, a little bit of planning right now is going to give you so much more flexibility down the road. Look, to make this as easy as possible for you, I put together a simple 1-page guide on how to route your funds the right way. Just send me a DM with the word arbitrage. That's it, 1 word. I'll shoot it right over to you. It's the simplest way to make sure you are keeping more of your hard-earned money.